this way and curve this way. I guess if make a 90, straight 90, stretch this area a little bit, that'll give us that curve. Stretch a portion of this, and that'll give us this curve. And we just do a little bit of time, shouldn't be too far. some of the brass still there. But, yeah, I got a boo-boo right there. I didn't... It's small enough I can fix it. But I'm going to put rust converter in there now. Let that dry. What I found inside, which should have been plain to see from the outside. Right there, rust holes through this. I guess you'd call that a header panel. A little bit bigger view of what's going on. See, there's the top of the cab. Okay, let's see if we can't do this a little more subtle this time. About a third of it doesn't need shrinking, so we're going to start right there. And then about a third of it just needs a little. Maybe more now. And then as we get out toward the end, we need a little more. You gotta be smarter than the machine. Okay. I think that's what I want. So middle to the last quarter. So this area right here. That is pretty darn good. I don't think I'll do anything with that until I've trimmed it up a little more. as I said about weld through primer, you can weld through it, but it's still an impurity and it makes little eruptions when you start welding through it, and it just blows out a little crater, and then you got to fill the crater, which induces more heat and a lot longer time spent than you really need to. So if you can shiny up the metal just in the one spot where you want to weld, and let the weld through primer do its job everywhere but here. So I'm going to clean this one out really good to try to demonstrate what I'm talking about. Hopefully I should be able to spend less time and no crater. Here we go. I'm really happy with that. Give you a close-up of that. See right there. See my heat affected zone? It's really small. Nice little weld. And here's one I didn't clean it out so well. And so anyway, you get the idea. So I gotta tuck that up under there. It's not hitting, so I won't knock this up when I tap that in, but it just needs to be bent back under there just a little bit. Okay, I know that looks awful, and you could call those bigger welds if you want, but I know I got good penetration, so I'll be able to grind all of that off and have a decent place to put the windshield. Looks like I got a little more to do right there. So that's that relief cut that I had to do. But this time, I'm happy with the way this feels. Okay, pretty happy. I could hammer and dolly that, but I can't get to the back of it. So got this header panel in the way. I will be able to get to some of it because there's a area that I got to cut out that's rusted through. Yeah, it's a little ripply, but we're going to start with that dent. See where I sanded that to highlight that dent. We're going to practice on that. I hope what I've learned from Kyle on Carter Auto Restyling is going to help me smooth that out.